I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it from me. Sending money on Binance can seem tricky at first, but it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary verification steps. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the wallet section located at the top of the hub page. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw button. This will take you to the page where you can send money. Step 4. Choose the cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Make sure you enter the correct amount and double check the recipient's address. Note, if you're resending Bitcoin, ensure the address starts with a 1 of 3 to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this guide helps you send money on Binance with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!